Can you see yourself in the 2023 Nissan Altima? Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated driver's seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, variable speed intermittent wipers, floor mats. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.